Hello guys, so in this video we will be talking about the different data types in Python. So Python mainly has two data types, that are strings and integers. So let's just learn a bit more about them. So let's open up the Python file. So in case I am putting a variable known as cost which has the value of 5. Alright, cost equals 5. So now this is an integer value, as you guys know. So now if I put print, I'm gonna be the cost of the pen was, I'm gonna just leave a space here and put the plus sign cost dollars. Hopefully you guys got this. So what I basically want to print out is the cost of the pen was $5. But do you guys think this will work? Let's check it out. Now if we save here and run it, it'll most probably show us an error. There you go. So basically what happened is the cost of the pen was, that's a string, right? Cost is an integer and dollars is a string. So basically in a print statement you can only have one data type, that is either integer or strings. So how do you make cost into a string? It's actually very easy. You just put str before it and enclose it in pair of parentheses, and there you go. Now cost becomes a string. Now when I'll try to run it, it should work. Let's see. There you go. It says the cost of the pen was $5. I forgot a space. Just leave a space after dollars and it should work now. There you go. It worked. So yeah, so that's basically it for like string conversions. Now similarly, if you want to convert a thing, a particular variable to an integer, all you do is replace string with int and it becomes an integer. Okay, so now I'm just going to replace it with string. So now I'm going to talk about inputs. So what inputs basically are, they will allow you to accept values or information from the user. So for example, instead of making cost a variable, like cost will remain a variable, I want to accept an input from the user. So I'm just gonna put the name input. So this is another keyword. I'm gonna put brackets, double quotations, and be like, how much do you want to price the pen? I'm gonna put a question mark here, leave some space and do this. Okay. Now since we know the cost will always be an integer and can't be a variable, well, it can be a variable in certain cases, but in this case we'll imagine that as an integer. So what we do is we'll just put int over here. Alright, we'll just put int with the brackets, which signifies that the input is an integer. So now let's see what happens when we try to run it. And yeah, how much do you want to price the pen? I'm just going to put 5 here, press enter, and there you go. The cost of the pen was $5. So that's how it works basically. But this is one important point. If you don't put integer here, if you don't put int, the price will remain as a string value, right? So since the price will remain as a string, you don't need str over here since it's already a string. So yeah, so even when cost becomes a string, the whole print statement belongs to a single data type. So it should work. Let's see. How much do you want to price a pen? I'm going to put as 5. There you go. The cost of the pen was $5. So that's basically it. I hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.